Hey dear, you seem to be too happy.
Yes, Granny, I won the first prize at the election competition today.
Oh, that's great. Congrats.
Thank you, Granny. This is the trophy and the certificate.
How many contestants were there?
There were 50 orators from 50 different schools.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit. But once I began my speech, I was more comfortable and spoke continuously for 5 minutes without any break or struggle.
Very nice. Keep it up.
Our district collector was the chief guest. My friend took a photo with his mobile phone while I was receiving the prize from the collector.
Very good. He has done a good job. Show me the picture.
But unfortunately, I could not get the photo from his cell. I will tell him to send it through WhatsApp.
Okay, don't forget to take a print so that it can be displayed in our drawing room.
Oh, sure, Granny.